Hello everyone, I hope all you're well. So today I tried Spring by Amaze to design, launch and sell my online. In this video I walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, so you can do it too. First of all, we will go with start creating. Click on this. In the second step, as you can see here, we must exactly write our name, email and password to sign up. So I have already have an account, so I will click on login and my email, this is my password, and click on I'm not robot. So after this test we'll log in our account. Now we are in Creator Studio, so with the help of this studio you can create your brand, your product, and with the help of Amaze platform. So you can start 3 months free trial with the help of Amaze platform. I will share also a link of this platform in the description section, so you can get easily access to this link and get more detailed information about this platform, and you can also use it. So we will click on create our product. So you can see a lot of products, templates, or whatever you want. You can see hats, digital, home and decor, accessories, collections here. So but today we want to create a t-shirt for our fans. As you can see here, there are also sweatshirts, but I want a price that would be affordable for everyone. So for this time I will choose this t-shirt, and these 3 colors. I'm not gonna choose blue and other colors. I want to choose gray, black, and for example white colors for this time. In the next step I will add a text. After that I will add an image. I created a logo, a Coca-Cola logo. So now I will text, for example, the name of our brand, Crypto Modern here. I can keep it in this form, or I can also write this text backside of the t-shirt. By clicking on this text I can also change the font style, font size, but in this time I will add my Coca-Cola logo on these t-shirts, and I will tell you what I did in this video. So I will click on add image and select Coca-Cola logo, and I open Spring's Creator Studio. The design tools are super straightforward. I picked the template, uploaded my logo and dragged it into place. You can tweak placement, change colors and see realistic mug packs instantly on hoodies, tees and mugs. I used the ready-made template to save time, and I didn't need any fancy design software to make something that looks pro. Next, I set pricing and profit margins. Spring shows your estimated profit as you change the retail price, so it's easy to pick a price that feels fair to fans, fair to you. No inventory, no upfront cost. Spring handles printing and fulfillment. In this section we can choose our t-shirt and a ceramic mug that contains our logo on it. After this selection we will click on continue again. In this part I will need a title, a brief description and fix the advanced features of my product. I will write the title Coca-Cola t-shirts. If you don't have enough time and you don't want to think so much about the description, you can use ChatGPT. I will use also. So here is link of my store, my products. I will also share this link in the description section of this video. So in the description we will use ChatGPT and write ChatGPT to write a brief description about my new Coca-Cola t-shirts. After searching, I think we will get an amazing description. So after writing my new Coca-Cola t-shirt, we will click on search button. Here is our description. So guys, I couldn't write such an amazing description, so we will check this description, not looking bad, so we will copy this and paste here, not here, not here, yes, here. We will paste the description here. Our description is ready, but please enter no more than 250 characters, so I must delete some part of this brief description. I think it's not gonna be okay. Also, I should delete this part also. That was last step to launch our listing. Quick check of description and launch listing. We will wait for the next last step to show our products. So that's all. Our products are ready to sell. We can share the links, we can view the listings. So with clicking view listings, we will see our products, the colors, size. The only we need is to add in cart, credit card, it can be your debit card, and buying your product. After that, Spring takes care of printing, shipping, and customer support. I will only track orders in the dashboard section and get shipping updates automatically, so I could focus on creating, not logisticking. If you are a creator thinking about merch, start small. Use spri.ng to test your ideas, iterate fast and scale what works. It removes the technical friction for me. Design, launch, sell, let the platform handle the rest. I'll drop the exact links and templates I use in the description so you can copy my setup. Thanks for watching. If you try this, tag me, I would love to seeing your designs.